We tried a bigger battery instead of the recommended size, so join me for a full step-by-step battery replacement to see how this is possible. This model's battery is located in the boot under the luggage compartment cover. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first because it's safer. More info on that in this video link on the screen. We might as well disconnect the positive because it uses the same size socket, but you could also do the brackets first. For this top bracket, it should be a 13mm. Loosen this nut completely. And then there's a nut on the inside here which you'll only need to loosen slightly to then unhook the bracket. Then lastly, this base bracket is what will allow us to fit a bigger battery. Just out of view here, there's another mounting hole which gives us 76mm extra in length, so I'll share some dimensions on this battery a bit later. For now, this battery just needed some persuasion to break free. If you notice a powdery substance in the tray, best to clean it with some baking soda and water, but this is nasty stuff, so definitely use some safety gear. Then also clean the terminals with a steel wire brush or sandpaper for a proper connection. Now we can start the installation with a new battery by connecting the positive terminal first. What's important here for maximum contact is to push the terminal down as far as possible. Instead of slamming the terminals into place with force, rather use a big flat screwdriver to extend the terminals while pushing it down. This prevents damage to the lead posts as well as potential internal damage to the battery. Then take care not to over-tighten the terminal nuts as they can strip quite easily. It's tight enough once the terminal can't move around on the post anymore. Now we'll install the brackets. Unfortunately, I didn't adjust the camera, but I'm sure you'll figure it out. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Then lastly, connect the vent tube and then the negative terminal. In terms of size, this is a 90 amp hour battery with these dimensions, but you will most likely use a 70 amp hour battery in yours, which is 76mm shorter in length as mentioned earlier. Apart from setting the time, you shouldn't have any issues on startup, but you might have to set the upper and lower limits of the one-touch windows. Press and hold the button past the second click and hold it down for another 3 seconds after the window is fully down. Then do the same for closing and repeat for each window. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.